In this video, I am giving the relationship between perfect squares and perfect cubes. The relationship shows the beauty of mathematics. Let us see. I am taking perfect squares. See, I am fixing this sheet having the perfect squares 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, so on up to 64 I have written. I am taking cubes of perfect squares. These perfect squares are cubing. I will show the list of cubes of perfect squares. See, 1 cube is 1, 4 cube is 64, 9 cube is 729, 16 cube 4096, so on. 64 cube is 262, 144. Next, I am finding the square roots of these numbers, that is square roots of cubes of perfect squares. I am finding the square roots of these numbers, that is square root of 1, square root of 64, square root of 729, square root of 4096, square root of 15625, so on. I am finding the square roots of these numbers. See this one. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 64 is 8, square root of 729 is 27, square root of 4096 is 64, so on. These are perfect cubes. We will get perfect cubes. See the beauty. These are cubes of perfect squares. If you find square root of these numbers, we will get perfect cubes. If you find cube roots of these numbers, we will get perfect squares. This is the beauty, the relationship between perfect squares and perfect cubes. So, we can conclude that square root of cubes of perfect squares is perfect cubes. So, we can give the relationship between perfect squares and perfect cubes. Law is applicable to all perfect squares and perfect cubes. If you want to verify, please take another example of another number and verify, and please comment in the comment box. Please subscribe, like it, share it. Thank you.